And happy New Year's to all 9 of my subscribers on crypto YouTube. I've been well known on crypto Twitter for many years, previously at XVG Whale, then at XVG Whale Real. Before that, XVG Whale, I was at Nav Trader, and then now I'm at Domains VBS. People don't know me on YouTube. Anyway, good night to you all and happy New Year. And get your taxes done and calculate your taxes. There is an official TurboTax partner that's linked with every major cryptocurrency exchange. You can see a full list of the exchanges they're compatible with. First link in the video description, and click that link and sign up for free, and you can sync up all of your 2021 data with TurboTax with ease. No problem. Easy peasy. So click that link, the first link in the video description, and be sure to like this video and subscribe and leave a comment on this video and any other videos I post when I start doing my crypto giveaway, which I'm going to be doing throughout 2022. Whichever comments that I notice, I'm going to start. I'm not going to give away crypto to every single comment, but I'm going to give away crypto to a lot of comments. And the people who post more comments, I'm more likely to see your comments. And the people that post comments earlier on, I will probably reward those people first. So anyway, but get your taxes done, and you will feel much better once you get your 2021 numbers done. And instead of breaking out the calculator and the abacus in Microsoft Excel, you can have all of that automated and filled out in the appropriate IRS forms with the ever-changing crypto tax laws in the United States. And it also works if you're outside of the United States. TurboTax doesn't work outside of the United States, but this service that you can sign up to for free with the link in the video description can compile your exchange information for tax purposes, even for people that live outside of the United States. And yeah, I wish you a happy new year. Unless you don't subscribe, hit the like button and drop comments on my video. I wish you 10 years of bad luck if you don't do those things. And then joking aside, I also suggest checking out ProTrade.tools and Arbitrage.software. ProTrade.tools has the hottest trades of the day, not just with of crypto, but also stocks, commodities, and Forex. Arbitrage.software helps automate arbitrage trading between the major exchanges, and there's some other helpful links in the video description, like free crypto trade bot that you can use, and that works with most major exchanges. Details about that as well. But anyway, get your 2021 taxes done for filing in 2022, and you can do it automatically without having to pay some random tax man to file your taxes for you. You can do it through TurboTax, and you can have it works with pretty much every major exchange, exports your tax data into TurboTax, and the link for that is the first link in the video description. And I'm gonna get some sleep. I ain't partying this year. I feel like an old man. Well, I might do some partying this year, but I'm not partying this New Year's Eve. Had me a little bit of Krug champagne, had some prime rib, and I'm calling it a night. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Subscribe to my channel. Capiche? Do this thing for me. You come to me on this day and watch my... Now I'm doing a Borat accent. You come to me on this day and watch my YouTube video, and you do not like and subscribe or drop a YouTube comment. What's that? Alright, thank you. Have a good one. Happy 2022. Get your taxes done. Don't let it stress you out. It's easy. But it's easy if you use this. It's complicated if you don't. And it's worse if you put it off. Believe me, you do not want to wait till the last minute to figure all that stuff out. Been there, done that. And if you don't, KYC, tax man watching you is what that means, and they will come after you if you don't pay your taxes. So click that link in the video description. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.